I will give you these cards, and as we all know, as Dasha said, these cards are very lucky because it's the symbol of luck, and now you will all be lucky. Okay, here you have some Irish proverbs or sayings, and you will take it and it will be good for you. Okay, you can pick a card. Okay, this one, Polina. Okay, can you read, please?
Your friend will bring you where you hurt us.
A good friend is like a fall-leaf clover, hard to find and lucky to have.
A good laugh and a long sleep are the best circus for anything.
Okay, so thank you very much. Now you can enjoy the cupcakes that I brought you, and I think everyone is a winner today, so you have to share all the sweets with you. Okay, thank you very much. Happy St. Patrick's Day, and may the Irish luck be with you. Thank you.